safety lanyard off too.
Hook my safety lanyard on? Oh, thank you.
I just feel better the more shit I got hooked off. I feel better because if one thing fails, something else is going to get you.
Hell yeah. Fucking stupid ass fun. Look at this shit, man. Hey, this is your honey up here. How high are we, you think? They're on 4th tier, I know that.
What is this?
Hey, I'm calling you.
1800
1800 foot? I'm calling you.
About 1500.
We're about 1,500 feet up right now. I'm videotaping it while I'm calling you. Anyways, though, just wanted to call and tell you that I love you. And man, it is amazing up here. You'll love it. So take some. As soon as I get to the hotel room tonight, I'll send you some good video. I'm taking video because, you know, the camera part's fucked up. Hey, this is Steve, too. So, anyways, I love you, babe. All right.